Hello everybody, Gully Mouse here, and welcome to our very own theatre. In here, we've done many incredible shows over the years, such as the Dancing Water Show. Behind those curtains over there, there are lots of fountains and winking lights. I would sing and tell stories, along with the fountains dancing in time to the music. Besides that, we've also done many other shows, some Christmas shows with chilling out and friends. Now, let's see what productions we can put on for you. After all, Gully comes free, but it's a special one. So, just sit back, relax, and be our guest.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Try a napkin round your neck, sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Soup to shore, hot hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Try the great stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They could sing, they could laugh. After all, it's like not bad. And the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glass and then you'll be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese soufflé, pie and pudding en flambé. We prepare and serve with flair a carvery cabaret. Not alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining when the black bear's entertaining. Other jokes, other tricks, with a couple of candlesticks, and it's all in perfect taste. You can bet. Come on, lift your glass. You've won your own free bath. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Oh, bon appetit, everybody. Bon appetit.
Well, what did you think to that? This was one of the songs I performed a few years ago at another of our venues on the park. As you may know, I was not the only one in that particular show.
Come follow the band, wherever it sets. Let both of your feet beat, time to the drum, and then your heart go rat-a-tat. Bang in your hands, a blue in your hands. The tallies of brass, brass and catch the line. As well as that sweeter than that. See the pretty lady toss that back behind. Ain't you cute as a daisy? Watch the fellow with the big bass drum go by. Ain't you glad that you stayed? Hear the tuba play that old papa all night. Ain't you driving you crazy? Don't you be so uneasy. Better hurry and jump that big early. Up right in the seat, down off of the stand. Step out of the street, beat up beautiful places and you remember all your days. And when you see the leader proudly raise his hand, just follow the band. Hear the trumpet blast, hear the cornet snap, hear the boom of the brass and the rattle of the set, and the sweetest burst of melody and woe. Goes a big gun low, hear the silver tone of the xylophone, hear the glide of the bell of a slack young boat, and the burst of crystal to it peal. It's the glockenspiel with the most majestic manner. You remember all your life. Come metallophone, come saxophone, come sousaphone, come fife. Then the bass rings out of the woodwind side, the trumpet shout and the bells ring cry, with a crash and a clang as the whole shebang goes by. Over Bye!
Wow, that really was something. Great to see you all again, guys. I hope you all enjoyed that. And now it's time for some lunch. Check out the burgers in Canyon Grove, where you can also meet my friends the gullivers. Make sure to be back at the Bear Show Center by 2 p.m. Set an alarm if you want to. Okay, time to make your way out of the theater and get your lunch. Ooh, I'm hungry too.